Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this AE like neon effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this video for instance, and I'm just going to copy and paste that. Then go to filters and add in the black and white filter, like on top of the video, and then go to effects and then search for neon light. Or like just neon, I guess. Yeah, just neon, sorry. And add it underneath the filter, so it's like black and white. Then you're going to find edge glow. Oops, why did I go to transitions? Edge glow. And you're going to add it like on top of the video like so. And you can adjust the glow if you'd like to. Go to media, go to library, and select the color that you want the glow to be in. You can choose any color that you want. I'm just going to choose this pink. I think I'm also going to add it underneath the edge glow, and then go to blend mode and select linear burn. Select everything except for the first one. Right click, create compound clip, go to blend mode and choose brighten. Add a keyframe at the beginning and kind of like almost at the end or wherever you want. Scale it up. Go to animation and select out and fade out. And I'm just going to place it here so that I can fade it out faster. Okay. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. And I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!